President Mnangagwa has today declared the 2023 to 2024 agricultural season state of national disaster following the El Nino-induced subdued rainfall pattern, which resulted in food deficit in many areas, leaving most families in need of food aid. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The declaration of state of national disaster will trigger resource mobilization efforts on a huge scale targeting all stakeholders that include those in the diaspora, the United Nations family, the international community, the private sector, among others. Addressing journalists at State House in Harare this morning, President Mnangagwa said at least 2 to 7 million were expected to be food security. This is today's news, where President Mnangagwa declares drought state of disaster. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.